Hi, in this video, we will learn how to split one column to multiple columns in Excel, or how to split one cell to multiple cells in Excel, or how to convert text to columns. So you can see, I have data like the product and its quantity, its rate and amount in one cell. And here, I want to split this column to multiple columns. So typing one by one will take too much time. So to split one cell to multiple cells, or one column to multiple columns, simply select the column that you want to split and then click on Data. Click on Data, and then you can see here, Text 2 columns, Text 2 columns. Or you can use a shortcut key like Alt-AE, and you will see this dialog box. Now simply click Next, and then uncheck this tab option, and check Other, check Other, and in Search Box, in this box, type Control J, and click Next. Click Finish. Okay, you can see the data has been splitted, or one cell has been splitted into multiple cells without any formula or function in Microsoft Excel. So, friends, I hope you have learned how to split one column to multiple columns, or one cell to multiple cells in Microsoft Excel. Here are the results. Alright, if video helped you anyway, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button and open the notification section every time you will see a new video. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.